The main source of water for South Australia is the River Murray, which on average supplies around 40% of the state's urban water needs and up to 90% in dry years. However, the River Murray may not be reliable as our main water source for the future, due to climate change causing a drier climate and reducing river flows. South Australia is already a national leader in the treatment and reuse of wastewater, a resource which will become increasingly valuable in meeting future water demands. Water used in homes and industrial and commercial operations is pumped to wastewater treatment plants, which uses a combination of physical and biological methods like filters and microbes to remove waste from the water and make it safe to reuse. About 70% of Adelaide's wastewater is treated at the Bolivar plant. Other wastewater treatment plants in the metro area are at Glenelg and Christie's Beach. The three plants process more than 250 million litres of wastewater per day. Methane produced by the anaerobic activity of microbes in the water treatment process generates over half of the power required to run the wastewater treatment plant. Leftover biosolids form a sludge which is dried in the sun for 3 years, then used as a soil conditioner. In 2010, 30% of our treated wastewater was recycled each year for irrigation of crops, parks and sports fields, toilet flushing and garden watering. The treated wastewater that is not reused is discharged into the Gulf of St. Vincent. Wastewater reuse is expected to increase to nearly 45% in the near future. Several projects that will increase the capacity to reuse treated wastewater are underway, including the Glenelg to Adelaide Parklands Recycle Water Project and the Virginia Pipeline Project. Increasing our reuse of recycled water is also important in decreasing the amount of treated water that is discharged into the fragile coastal environment. In order to ensure future water security, it is important to increase the capacity to recycle water as other water sources become scarcer in the face of climate change. Adelaide can be used as an example for other Australian cities and other countries that face the same water security issues with the changing climate.